guys, it's Carrie, a Yellow Status Unique Independent Presenter. So I've had a couple of you guys emailing me because our liquid foundation is out of stock. So I've shown them a couple of tricks and I figured, I need to do a video and show everybody else what to do. So for the meantime, while we're out of liquid foundation, something that you can do in place of that is taking Glorious Primer and concealer and mixing those together to get a really good coverage just like that foundation. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take the concealer, same color you're going to use for your skin tone. So whatever color you would normally use as your liquid foundation, that's going to be your concealer color that you're going to use. So I'm going to take just a little tiny dot, just like that. And then I like to take with the primer, do another little dot here too. So I do kind of, I don't know if you can see the difference there. So just a little dot there. And then what I'm going to do is take the two and you're going to mix it together. So just mix, mix, mix. Don't spread it out too much. Obviously you don't want to put it all over your hand instead of your face. So it comes out like this. And then you can take either your concealer brush or your finger and just kind of put it in different spots of your face that you want. And obviously too, if you want, a little more coverage, like I had that nice little zip pop in there. Now the thing that's nice about this is it does give you a good light coverage. So for those of you who don't like a lot of makeup on your face, this is a really good alternative. Okay, I think I might have put a little too much, but that's alright. We can use it all. So now next thing I'm going to do is you can either take your powder puff brush, or if you have the blusher brush, you can use either one of those. We'll do it with the blusher brush on top here so you can see the difference. And then you're just going to kind of blend it all in. Okay, and then I'll just use this one just so you guys can see the difference between the two, that does the same exact thing. So if you don't have one and you have the other, don't worry, they both work just as well. Alright, and then you just blend it in. And there you have it. That's it. Now if you want a little more coverage on certain spots, because like I still have that that's showing a little bit, and maybe I want to get rid of my dark circles there. All I'm going to do is just take a little more of the concealer. And when I say a little, I do mean a little. So it's like that tiny, tiny dot there. And take my concealer brush and I'm going to put it over that spot there. And then my bags here. Now the one thing you want to make sure is bring it down. You don't want to just put the concealer here because that's just going to highlight the dark circles under your eye. So always make sure to bring that down. And then over here on this side too. And then what you do next is I take my blending bud, make sure it's moisturized. So basically just kind of put some water in there, squeeze out all the water with a paper towel or a towel. So it just has a nice little wet consistency. And then you're just going to blend it in. Just like that. And then blending on the other side. That's it. That's your easy fix for foundation while we're out of the liquid foundation right now. So those of you who are wondering, well, what about when the liquid foundation comes back and I'm stuck with two products? Well, let me tell you, it doesn't matter, because the primer, you're going to need it anyways all the time. Putting it on, even just for moisturizer, I also like to put it in my hair. So can't go wrong with getting this. And as you saw, you just use a little bit of this as you're putting on your foundation, so this is going to go a long way for you. And also with the concealer, you need it all the time too. Cover up any circles, any blemishes that you have. So this is just good to have on hand. So again, two products you can't go wrong with and that you'll do very well with until we get our liquid foundation back in. And for those of you that have it, now you know a way that you can put some foundation on until that comes back for you. Alright guys, if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Send me a message. I'll get back to you.